can zoom it. It is cool through here. That little river turns up here, the next right to see, taken by the shoreline. Here we go. There it is, yeah.